सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्यां नास्ति विद्यार्थिनः सुखम्। सुखार्थीं वा त्यजेत् विद्यां विद्यार्थीं वा त्यजेत् सुखम्। The inevitability of hard work on the path of knowledge. This verse underlines the importance of hard work, the importance of giving up pleasures if we really wish to learn something. If we are a seeker of pleasure, where will we find knowledge? And if we are a seeker of knowledge, there is no pleasure, there is no material comfort for him. If we wish to have pleasures, we have to give up the idea of learning. And if we really wish to learn something, we have to give up all pleasures for that. No learning comes without hard work. Once again, Sukharthinak kuto vidyam, Sukharthinak kuto vidyam, Nasti vidyarthinas sukham. नास्ति विद्यार्थिनः सुखम्। सुखार्थीं वा त्यजेत् विद्यां सुखार्थीं वा त्यजेत् विद्यां विद्यार्थीं वा त्यजेत् सुखम्। विद्यार्थीं वा त्यजेत् सुखम्। The whole thing again. सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्यां नास्ति विद्यार्थिनः सुखम्। सुखार्थीं वा त्यजेत् विद्यां विद्यार्थीं वा त्यजेत् सुखम्।